Hey boys and girls, I'm so sorry. I was trying to look for a video on YouTube to be able to show you guys how to do unknown numbers, but I couldn't find one, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it quickly. We're going to get right started so you guys can take a look at it right now. Alright, so the number you have is 256 times 2, and with the missing number. The missing number is gone. So we just got to figure out what that missing number is. We know that's going to end in an 8, and we know it's going to begin with a 5. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our area model to show such problem. All right. So we're going to go ahead and put down 250 and 6. And over here we're going to put down 20. Now we're going to put a question mark here because we don't know what that missing number. All we know is that it's going to end in an 8. And it's going to begin in a 3. And then I'm sorry, not 3. It's going to begin in a 5. I'm sorry. It's going to begin in a 5. And that there are 3 missing numbers there. You with me so far? If you are, great. Alright. The next thing you're going to do, boys and girls, is that you're going to go ahead and do what's the problem you do know how to do. Alright, so you got 20 times 200, which is 400. Sorry, 4,000. So I'm going to write down 4,000. Okay, 20 times 50 is 1,000. That's probably where we're going to get our 5,000 from. And 20 times 6 is 30. Sorry, is 120. Alright. Now we're going to take these numbers right here and we're going to add them all up. So when I add up all these numbers, I come up with 5,120 and 20. Alright. So now I'm going to take these numbers right here and I'm going to put on another line here with an addition sign. And I know what my first numbers are. It's going to have a 5. It's going to end in an 8. And it's going to have 1, 2 numbers in between. I made a mistake here. I put down too many lines. Here we go. Okay. So it's going to have 2 numbers there. Okay. So now I'm going to ask myself, I'm going to go back to my original problem. I'm going to say, okay, what times what will give me an 8 at the end of that? That's why I have to know my facts. So 6 times what will give me an 8 at the end of it? Well, using your numbers 0 through 9, if I do 1 times 0, that'll give me 0, so that doesn't work. Sorry, 1 times 6, that'll give me 6, that doesn't work. 2 times 6 will give me 12, that doesn't work. 3 times 6 will give me 18. Well, 18 does have an 8 at the end of it. So let's try 3. Alright, so I'm going to replace all my question marks with 3. Alright, so now I'm going to do 3 times 6, which gives me 18. Then 3 times 5, which gives me 150. And then 3 times 2, which gives me 600. Or 600. So 3 times 200, 600. 3 times 50, 150. 3 times 6, 18. Now, I'm going to add all these numbers up and see if I get an 8 at the end of it. So, I have 8 at the end of it. Okay. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So now I'm going to add them all up. Well, 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 6 is also 8. 1 minus 7 is also 8. And that'll be my answer. And then the 5 is just brought straight down, which gives me a 5. Boys and girls, this is how you do the problem. I wish you good luck tomorrow. If you'd like to have more practice, you want to check it out, you can kind of review it over and over again. The most important part is that you understand that when you're finding the unknown numbers, you're only going to use 0 through 9 to figure out what that first number is or what the last number is. All right? See you guys tomorrow. Good luck with tests tomorrow. Bye.